Even in our increasingly secular world, religion continues to play an outsized role in people's lives. Religion provides meaning, solace, and a sense of community for much of the world's population. The Database of Religious History is an open-access online encyclopedia and database of religious belief and behavior from across the world and throughout history. The DRH is an entirely new way to access reliable, scholarly information about this central aspect of human culture. The DRH consists of over 1,000 entries on religious groups, places, and texts written by hundreds of academic experts from the world's top universities working in a variety of languages. Every entry has a map, date range, and answers to a wide array of questions about religious belief and practice. Answers are accompanied by comments explaining additional context or evidence, bibliographical references, and relevant photos and videos. This combination of quantitative and qualitative data makes the DRH an incredibly flexible and powerful resource. Users can browse it like an encyclopedia, delving into the details of a particular religious group, place, or text. The yes, no, and other categorical answers, however, create quantitative data, which opens the door to data analysis and visualization functions. Do all religions think of the mind or soul as something separate from the body? A quick visualization can answer that question, complete with a colorful animation. Switching to the table view then allows one to zero in on the specific scholarly opinions that lie behind the visualization, or to browse the qualitative comments that serve as mini-encyclopedia articles on the topic of one's question. Do religions only build enormous monuments when they believe in human-like gods? Our built-in Analyze tool allows you to visually explore these sorts of relationships. Researchers can also download CSV files of DRH data. Since all of this data is tagged with helpful religious tradition and linguistic tags and grounded in space and time, researchers can then test or explore hypotheses about the statistical relationships between religious variables and any sort of temporal spatial variables relating to ecology, climate, economics, politics, or technology. Does extreme social inequality increase belief in messiahs or other savior figures? Prior to the DRH, there was no way to answer these sorts of questions in a statistically rigorous manner. The DRH is also an excellent classroom tool. It can introduce students to thinking about history quantitatively, the benefits, caveats, and pitfalls involved with turning rich historical sources into quantitative data suitable for computer analysis. In addition, our supervised entry category allows students to answer portions of the questionnaire under the supervision of their professor, learning invaluable research skills. Where would one look for answers to a particular question? How long should one look before concluding that the field does not know, while also becoming a co-author on a genuine publication? Ever since there have been humans, religion has been there, organizing our thoughts, our actions, and social networks. Religion was a crucial component in the transition from small to large-scale societies and continues to function as the glue that both binds